What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, what do you guys think? We're obviously going to be working on Greg's freaking car. He got a couple more new parts in for the car and we're going to be installing those today. I don't know if we're going to get to everything today, but for sure I know he got some new taillights that we're going to be installing. So we're going to go ahead and put those on today and see how they look. So I'm going to go ahead, get my car pulled out of here, wait for Greg to come so we can get started on the car. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Big Nose Bot is here. Hey, 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 hey!
Hey, babe!
You trying to run me over? I like your cut, G.
Thanks, G. Today we're
adding Snuggle Exhibitionations.
Iridescent
Accelerations.
That means we can accelerate faster.
Let's see what you got for us today.
Still good?
Yeah.
I just washed the car.
It looks like it. What did we get from China?
We got fragile.
We got coronavirus. So like I said, the bot got new taillights. So we're gonna go ahead and install them on my. We're gonna go ahead and install them on my car.
You can install these in your car if you want. We don't even know what the hell that is. The tint looks a little darker than OEM, but it looks pretty good.
Well, this is how they are. These look pretty sick. For how much? How much was this, Greg?
Six something ship.
$600.
These are called GTS OLEDs.
These are called OLEDs. It should be an easy install. For those who don't know, he already messed up his front lip.
It's not. Perfectly fine.
Cracked in the middle. It's still good though.
It's not making any noise above 70 though, so it's good.
Now that those are off, you want to throw the new ones on or just take these off too first?
Let's see if they work.
Yeah, let's plug them in.
Do the ASMR for the people.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dark looks way better.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Let's try them out.
It looks sick.
Oh, that's sick.
They work?
Yeah, and it's sequential. And then you gotta put it in reverse. Yeah, it's gonna be sequential. Watch, when you put that other one on.
Bro, so we don't even need that.
You don't need anything. Put it in reverse real quick.
Ain't going.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Reverse.
That's kind of bad.
What is it? Oh, it's flashing? Okay.
That might be what it's for.
That could be, yeah. We'll connect the other one first and find out.
This one's hella bright too.
Yeah, I think it's the resistance.
Oh yeah, maybe if we connect everything. There it goes.
Wow, I like the tint though.
Thumbprint on it. No. There.
Ooh,
That looks way better
that's sick.
compared to this piece of shit. Alright, let's put this side on.
Right.
Push it. Fair enough. It looks sick though. Try it. We'll turn it on. Hopefully the reverse works.
Oh,
That looks sick.
That's ugly. Oh, that's sick.
So it only works for lock?
Unlock.
Unlock? Yeah, that did.
I got it.
Yep.
Does it go the full duration?
Yeah, it goes the full way.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Flickering?
Why is it flickering? So if you guys couldn't tell on camera, every time he puts it in reverse, this one's kind of dim, that one is bright, and they're both like flickering. So we're guessing maybe these modules are for that. So we're just gonna go ahead and try it. So we got it to work. It is these modules. Now we're gonna have to freaking put this somewhere or tuck it up somewhere. But there's a lot of room up in here. So okay, let's try it again. So in theory, this should work.
Blinking?
It's not blinking, but this one's bright as shit. So we're gonna try to figure this out and get back to you guys. Well guys, we got everything to work. So everything's working perfectly now. We're gonna go ahead and tuck these wires up somewhere so it can look cleaner than whatever this shit is. And then basically wrap everything up, put it all back together, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, and just like that, we are done with the taillights.
Sickest guy.
Sickest guy, bro.
That's the coolest thing about the lights.
Looks all good. We'll get a better video for you guys probably in the daylight or something.
Maybe after a car wash.
Maybe yeah, after a car wash. But yeah, we're just gonna wait till the next mod comes in and then we'll continue this video.
Yeah. This is David Dobrik.
And we are live.
Alright guys, this is the new gauge we're putting on today. It's a data display by AK Motion. It's a German brand, so you have to order it from Germany and have it sent over. Basically just a display that replaces your passenger or driver side AC vent and just plugs into the CAN bus system. It has temps on there, boost on there, air to fuel. Hey man, that's about it. Alright, let's get to installing it. Alright guys, so we got the whole trim piece out. That's the driver side and passenger side air vent. So essentially we're just going to remove this whole unit out, replace these grills with the screen. So it just basically replaces it and you block off the driver side vent. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed by removing these and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, basically this is how far we've gotten so far. So this is the driver's side and that's the passenger side. We have removed the vents, basically, that move the air up and down, and we're going to feed these cables through. After the cables are fed through, we're going to have to connect a butt connector to it, which attaches to the back of the display, and that just sits right here on the grill. Then it gets reassembled, and then it's just the wiring, and that's about all. It's pretty simple. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. We have the gauge installed. Now we just have to put the carbon fiber trim on and then put it back in the car basically. Alright, so that's how it looks with the trim on. Looks pretty good, not bad. Alright guys, so we basically put the trim piece back in the car. We wired the harness all the way through the AC vent, all the way to the bottom to the passenger footwell. Now we have to connect this little module to, it's called a CAN bus system. It's basically like the OBD2 connector. We have to connect it on this side with some harnesses they provided. And we'll get back to you with the finished product. Alright guys, so what we got so far, so we've wired in everything off of these pigtails. And this is the wire that's coming from the screen, and then we wired in a USB cable that goes all the way up to the glove compartment to update the software whenever there's one available. And then we plug in everything into this module, tuck it up in here, and reassemble everything, and then that's about it. Alright, so we got everything wired up, everything's done, just putting on this kick panel, and then it should already be pre-programmed. So it should be pretty easy, it should be straightforward. But we'll find out. And then. Okay, now I turn it off.
And then?
you have your shirt tucked in?
No, it's a thermal.
You have a thermal tucked in?
Yeah.
Where's your underwear?
Leave my underwear alone, man.
So Greg got everything wired up and ready to go. Now he's got to plug the battery back in, so the airbags can blow up in his face.
See if it fucking works. Oh, nice. On Velgen. Wow.
Oh,
that's
like a 0 to 60 feet,
60,
quarter mile.
Quarter. That's sick.
It's really not that bad of an install though. Should we
No,
think about it?
no,
How much was the
it's not
entire
bad.
setup?
Like $500. That's horsepower, torque. That's boost at the bottom. Let's see if it works. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then air to fuel ratio, low pressure fuel pump. That's high pressure fuel pump. Oil pressure.
We're gonna clean up and go for a little spin and test it out. See if the boost pressure is working. Yeah. If it shows it all. All right, boys, let's go for a little spin.
We have 0 horsepowers. Bro.
That seems about right.
Oh, that's sick. That's dope. Damn, boys, we made 391 horsepower. Reset, reset, reset. That's 80.
9.4 seconds, 0 to 60.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's not good. Though.
Wow.
That's like Toyota Sienna.
I think my mom's Camry hits like a 9 flat.
My-
Well, boys, the final review of this here gadget that we have over here. It's a
looks
good
cool,
one.
but it's useless.
It's good one, this one. That's it for today, boys. Greg's heading out. Just got the cars pulled back in here. Hopefully that was enough content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching as always. Make sure to hit that like button, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.